I like your new home.
It's a castle.
All right.
Lucas, the Perfidious is invading my castle.
Yes! And I'm going to turn you into a beetle!
Amicia, he's too powerful. We have to hide.
Yes.
I'll count to 10. Then I'll come for you, King Hugo and...
Amicia the Amazon.
Of course. So go! Now!
Come, Amicia the Amazon.
1,
We have to
2,
find a good hiding place.
3,
I'll stand by your side, my king.
5,
Quick,
6,
quick.
7,
Don't
8,
forget to breathe, my king.
9,
Good.
10.
Let's keep an eye on him now.
I'm coming!
Oh, he's coming, he's coming.
I smell fear. I, Lucas, Perfidious among the Perfidious, swear to make a stew out of your toes and eat it.
He's horrible.
Aha! Are you there? Where could you be? You are resourceful, but I will find you all the same.
You know what? We should hunt him too.
Oh, yes.
Ha! It's only a matter of time before I get you. You've got no hope of escaping my grasp. The Perfidious has laid his eyes on you. It's over.
You're too evil. Come on, don't despair.
Too easy. So, I'll give you a second chance.
I think we have to move around more to keep out of sight, my king.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm coming.
He's on his way.
Where are you? I can smell your fear.
Let's hunt the hunter again.
Or is it
Yes, it's the only way to
your
win.
bad breath? All kings fall, sire. Goodness!
You got so scared.
Fair enough. Well, I'll get back to studying now.
Lucas.
Well, if I want to become an alchemist,
But you are an alchemist.
I'm still your mother's apprentice.
All right, go and study. We'll stay a little longer.
Right. Goodbye.
Come, let's see the rest of the castle.
As you wish, good king.
I'm glad Lucas stayed with us.
Me too. We wouldn't be here if not for him.
Oh, can I climb those rocks?
Of course. Just don't fall.
I never fall.
Yes, sure.
Yes. King Hugo patrols the ramparts of his great wall.
What can you see from up there?
My kingdom.
Is it prosperous?
It was, but then Lucas attacked.
Oh, yes. The infamous sorcerer.
Oh, a river. It's the sea.
Let's patrol there.
Whoa.
Very pretty. So,
This is where my kingdom stops.
that branch is your frontier.
Yes.
Why not?
Look out, Amicia the Amazon. Enemy ships coming. They're going to attack us.
Oh no! What do we do?
Stay at the frontier and sing them before they pass.
Got it! My mighty sling is yours!
Here comes the sorcerer's army.
I see them! We'll save your land, my king! One down!
Yes! Keep going! More ships are coming!
No foul magic will defile this kingdom!
Only good magic! Yes, the king applauds!
Let them come! I'll crush them! Many tried to invade us,
But we pushed them back!
because we are the House of Daroon!
Hello.
Oh, hello!
Hello?
I was passing by and I heard your sling.
Ah, it can be pretty loud, yes.
I wanted to ask you, can I play with you?
Yes, but who are you?
I'm Tona. I live nearby.
All right, we're Hugo and Amicia.
Can you shoot, Tona?
Of course I can.
Great! I'm the king and she's my captain and we're fighting in Sorcerer's army!
I'll fire the cannon then.
Now let's fight!
Wow, you're a shot. You're good.
They keep coming!
And they'll keep sinking! Our defenses are too strong for them!
Soldier Tona, keep firing that cannon!
Yes, we're kicking their asses.
They're evil asses!
Hey, calm down! You're starting to speak the devil's tongue!
It's war. There's no place for monsters.
All right, give them the coup de grace, Tona!
Here comes the cannonball.
Oh no, Hugo, take cover! All right, boys. You won. They surrendered.
Surrender accepted. I should go now. I'm late for work.
You work?
Yes, on my father's farm with my brothers.
Are you all right?
I must go. Bye.
Good luck then.
Goodbye, Tona! He was nice.
Come along, my king. The war is over. Let's keep following this river.
You sung so many. You're a great captain. And Tona was nice.
He was, yes.
I'd like to have a friend like him.
I know. But we'll settle down soon, and you'll make friends.
You're sure?
As soon as we know how you're doing.
That could be a long time.
Not this time. This time is different. I know it.
I hope so.
We'll have to climb this. You pull me up this time.
What?
Just kidding. I'll help you.
You're too heavy anyway.
How dare you?
One day I'll be able to. Whoa! That castle is huge!
What do you say? Do we attack it?
All right, I'm ready.
Now! Charge!
Charge! The gate is closed, Captain. What do we do?
Let me see. Ha! It's locked up tight.
They saw us coming. Here, secret path.
Let's sneak in.
Yes, it's a good plan.
Ooh, I feel evil around us.
It's a bit dark.
Come on, my king. They don't expect us to sneak in.
Yes.
I'm with you. Don't worry. Oh, I think the sorcerer's men are close.
Really?
Are you hurt?
No, but I want to go back now.
I agree. That's enough for today.
Yes, Amicia. There are food and clothes.
People live here.
We've broken their ceiling. Maybe they heard.
Let's just be careful for now.
You smell that? It smells like a fireplace.
Yes. What?
It's all burned.
It's recent. These baskets, they're beehives.
But why are they burned?
I don't know. Let's be discreet and get out.
Maybe it was an accident?
Where are the people? This way.
Amicia!
Hey!
What's going on?
How many of you are there?
Wait! We didn't mean to trespass. We fell here by accident. We'll leave if you show us how.
Lies!
I swear! I don't know what's happening here, but we have nothing to do with it.
Lies! You bloody thieves! I'll cut you to pieces!
Run!
Come back here!
We need an exit!
The door!
No! 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 Come!
You're trapped!
Here!
Going nowhere!
He's still behind us!
Keep an eye out for an exit!
This was one time too many! Don't think we'll let you go this time!
You! Through here! He won't follow!
Quick!
Bloody thieves! Trying to steal our hard work! You bastard!
Get down, quick!
I won't come back, I swear! Get him! Stop! Leave it to me! I beg you! No! Please! Should have thought of that before you lot stole from us! Goodness, Matthias! That's how we make sure they don't come back.
I lost two, a boy and a girl. You didn't see them?
No. No, that man on the ground's the last we got.
Well, kill them if you find them.
We must get out of here.
Yes, quick!
They're crazy.
What a mess.
Let's cross.
Now what used to have us?
Because they want to see us.
Get them fast! We have traps!
Amicia!
You bastard! You're done! I won't come back, I swear! Get him! Stop! Leave it to me! I beg you! No! Please! Should have thought of that before you lot stole from us! Goodness, Matthias! That's how we make sure they don't come back.
I lost two, a boy and a girl. You didn't see them?
No. No, that man on the ground's the last we got.
Well, kill them if you find them.
We must get out of here.
Yes, quick!
They're crazy. Let's
What
cross.
a mess.
They're going
Now
to
what
kill
use
us.
do you have found meat
Because
money
they
now?
won't see us.
You're dead.
Matthias, come! They got Grandad pretty bad.
Shit.
Amicia, the house!
No. Grandpa! Oh, it looks bad. Dad will be back from the market any time now. Yes. Watch over him for now.
We could hide here.
They'd find us. We have to keep going.
It's a bloodbath. Lord. I can't stand that whining. There may still be some of them around. Go help the others.
I don't feel well, Matthias.
I don't give a damn.
It's...
You won't move.
whatever.
I'll handle it. That toolbox. It'll make a noise.
It's the last time they'll come here. I tell you.
You don't have to kill all of them, you lunatic. Just needed goddamn work. I need to get out of here.
Steady.
Is someone still hiding?
Away. Let's be quick.
Nothing here.
We get back to the cart. We get away from this place.
Mummy will be so angry.
We just won't tell her. We'll leave as soon as we get to the cart anyway.
Where's that little shit now? He was supposed to stand guard. This is all on you!
We're going to have to climb up. Quietly.
Donna! Get your damned ass over here right now! I'll beat the life out of you.
Oh no, this is where Donar lives.
Maybe he's still away.
I hope so.
There.
On my way.
Let's try through here.
At least they didn't damage these ones.
Wait.
It's coming.
What the hell?
Let's go.
He almost saw us.
Yes, we have to be more careful.
Got it!
We must reach that door. I'll need to distract him.
Where's Tona? I want to get my hands on him before Dad...
Let me see the pots.
That would work.
Hiding somewhere.
If I throw it behind him.
Hell! I've got an axe! I warn you!
Now's our chance.
Saints protect me. Oh, that must be hallucinating.
Please tell me this is our way out.
Yes.
No, they've locked it.
Maybe there's another way. There's a hole here.
Yes.
I can go and open the door from the other side.
I wish you didn't have to. All right, but be very careful.
Don't worry.
Please don't get spotted. Come on, Hugo.
It's too heavy, but you can open it now.
Yes, well done.
Where are they? Have they found Donar?
I don't know. We need a way out.
We can't let them hurt him.
He'll manage. We must leave, Hugo. They'll kill us if they catch us.
But maybe they'll kill him too.
Shh, quiet. Locked. That gate over there. Let's try it.
Stop! Please!
You were Dad's biggest mistake, but I will fix it!
Stop!
Hugo, stay behind me.
Who are you?
We got lost. We're leaving. Just let the boy go.
You hear that, Remy?
Are you with the thieves?
No, we just arrived. Listen, it's our fault if he was late.
You have no right to be here! Remy, you handle it. And don't disappoint me.
But the boy,
He's the right age to learn.
you shouldn't have come.
You don't want to do this, believe me.
You talk too much.
Amicia? Don't hurt me. Where are we? No! It's starting again. I need help. Wait! Wait for me! Are you the only one here? Where's Amicia? No! Don't go! Breathe! Breathe! Where are you going? I need to go back. I need my sister and my mummy. Maybe he knows where they are. Yes, maybe they're through here. What? What is this place? Amicia? Mummy? Lucas? Where are you? I feel bad. No! It hurts. Please! Please! Stop screeching and help me! Help me! Find them! Help me! No! Not that! Leave me alone! Leave me alone! Stop this noise! What do you want? You're so noisy. All right, I'm coming. Is this dying? I don't want to die. It's going away. It's the water. You saved me. Thank you. Can I come back here? Or with someone?
Look who's awake.
Did you sleep well?
I was dreaming. Where are we?
Was it your island dream again?
Yes, I was sick, and then there was a big bird that saved me. But what happened, Amicia? At the farm?